Hello crochet lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to crochet split knot, magical circle, chains and how to handle yarn. Let's start our video. I'm using normal decay yarn and 4mm hook. First we will see how to hold yarn. On our previous video we learned how to hold hook. If you are new to this channel, please go and check out that video. The link is given in the description box below. Holding yarn is very easy and simple. Take one end of yarn, rotate as shown as in my video. Rotate yarn from little finger, pass through back side of fingers, take from index finger and keep again in front of little finger. Press the yarn with your thumb. It should either loose nor tight. The yarn will pass from here. It will rotate from here to here. I will show you again how to hold. Rotate from little finger, pass through back side of finger, take from front side of index finger, keep in little finger, hold with your thumb. Hold your yarn very tightly. The yarn should be loose, meanwhile it should be tight to work with your hook. It have to be comfortable to work with your hook. Take care of your tension. The holding yarn tight or loose is known as tension. Now we will see how to do split stitch. Now take your yarn on your hand. Now just twist the yarn like this, like X, like this. Twist and keep your yarn as X. I will show you again. Just simply gently twist your yarn like this and form X on it. Just simply press that X with your finger. Now keep this loop over the yarn like this. Now just gently pull the yarn on the middle like this. That's it. We did our split knot. Look how simple it is. I will show you again. Hold your yarn on hand. Just gently twist your yarn like this and form as a X. Keep your finger slightly on the X. Keep this loop over the yarn like this. Now gently pull the yarn from that loop. It will create split knot. That's it. We did our split knot. Insert hook on the loop. From here we will going to begin our stitches. If you have long loop, just move your index finger forward like this. Automatically the loop will get shortened. You can also increase the loop just by pulling your hook. Now we will see how to crochet chain. Hold your hook tightly. Carefully note how I am rotating my hook over the yarn. Yarn over like this. Look how I am rotating hook over the yarn, taking the yarn under the hook. Note how yarn lied under the hook. Now slowly pull through the loop like this. Now we got our chain 1. It was very easy, right? I will show you again. Now again, see, look how I am rotating my hook over the yarn. Take yarn under the hook, pull through the loop. That's it. We create our second chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Third chain, yarn over, pull through the loop. Fourth chain. You can see how my hands and hooks are rotating in this video. Look how I am releasing that yarn from my finger and how I am rotating or moving my hook. Just by moving your index finger, you can release your yarn. Don't worry about your yarn, it will rotate automatically from here. Carefully note how my hook is rotating over the yarn and pulling through the loop. On beginning, it will be very hard to handle the hook on yarn. Do constant practice, it will be very easy to work. If you did extra chain, don't worry, just pull the yarn upward like this, it will get released. That's it. Now we learn to do split stitch and chain. Now we'll see how to do magical circle. Take your yarn on your hand. Magical circle is also similar as split knot, only a slight difference between split knot and magical circle. As split knot, twist your yarn as an X. Keep your finger on the X. Now keep this loop over the yarn. Now see, slightly pull the yarn. That's it. Don't pull the yarn as a split knot, just slightly pull. That's it. Leave this as it. That's it. We got our magical circle. From here we are going to begin our stitches. Hold this circle with your finger. Don't allow it to close. Now from here we are going to begin our stitches to chain 2. In magical circle we can work only as a round by round only we can work in our magical circle. Around this magical circle we are going to do 10 double crochet. Yarn over inside the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. We got our first double crochet. Like this we are going to do 10 double crochet here. Don't allow to close the circle. Now we did our 10 double crochets. Now see, you can see this tile here. Just simply pull this tile like this. It will automatically the circle get closed. Now we are going to do split stitch. Split stitch is nothing but closing the circle with a stitch. Inside the hook on the first double crochet stitch. Now yarn over, pull through that double crochet stitch and pull through last double crochet stitch. First double crochet and last double crochet. Pull through the stitch towards first double crochet and last double crochet. That's it. We got our split stitch and we got our circle. In magical circle we can work only round by round. If you can also increase your round, do chain 2 and you can increase your round. If that center circle get loosened, pull that tail it will automatically tighten. That's it. We learned about magical circle. You can also do a circle by using split knot. Do split knot and do chain 4. You can do chain 4 or chain 6 or chain 8 as per your count. I'm doing chain 4 here. Do split stitch. Insert your hook on the first chain, the chain beside split knot inside the hook, and do split stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Pull through the first chain and pull through the last chain. You will get your split stitch. Now you can see the circle, the center, it has a hole. Now we're going to do 8 double crochet on that center hole. Begin with chain 2 and do your 8 double crochet on that center hole. Insert your hook on that center hole and do your double crochet stitches. We did our 8 double crochet. Now do split stitch inside the hook on the first double crochet stitch. Pull the stitch together. We got our circle, but the only difference, we can't close that center circle. Look at this difference. In magical circle there has no hole on the center, but on the split knot we have a slight hole on the center. We can't close that hole on the split knot, but we can close that hole on the magical circle. So only thus use magical circle to do amigurumis. We can also increase our circle by using split knot, but we can't close that center circle. That only difference between magical circle and split knot. I hope you like this video, and I hope you learned many basic things about crochet in this video. If you have any kind of doubt, please comment down below. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. If your friends like to learn any kind of hobbies, share this video with them. Thank you for watching.